everyone, welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on CapCut. If you are new to video editing or just want to create amazing content right from your phone, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from importing your clips to adding text, adding transitions, musics, and effects. By the end of this video, you'll be able to edit your very own video with confidence. So let's jump right in and start creating. So when you open CapCut, this is the main interface you will see. Down here at the bottom, you'll find different options. CapCut also provides a collection of inbuilt templates that you can use for quick edits. These templates are perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and short videos because they already include transitions, effects, and music. You just have to replace the sample clips with your own footage, and the video is ready in seconds. But today we will dive into the detailed video editing part, so for now I'll skip this part. This icon right here shows all of your saved projects, and over here is your profile section where you can view your username and account details. Now, to start a fresh edit, tap on the new project. Then select the clips you want to combine into your video. Once you hit add, all your selected videos will appear on the editing screen. These are the imported clips, and now we'll use CapCut tools and features to edit them. At the bottom is the timeline, where you will find editing options like edit, timing, and a lot more. We'll be using these tools step by step to turn our clips into a complete video. First, we'll use the edit tools. To shorten a clip, simply drag the white sidebars on the timeline to adjust its length manually. If you feel that the clip is a bit too long for your video, you can use this to shorten the length of the specific video clip. You can also use the split option. It cuts the clip into two separate parts that you can move or edit independently. If you make a mistake, just tap the undo button to reverse it. Next, we have the speed tool. Click the normal icon, and now you can increase or decrease the clip's speed as needed. Moreover, if you forget to add a clip earlier, tap the plus icon to insert any additional videos right into your timeline. Now you'll see the newly added clip on the timeline, and you can edit it like the other clips previously added. Next, let's add transitions. To apply a transition between two clips, tap the small white bar between them. You'll find a variety of transition styles to choose from. Just pick one as per your requirement. If a clip is too short, CapCut may warn you that the transition can't be added. In that case, simply extend the clip a bit. You can also search for specific transitions from the search bar. You can also adjust the transitions time duration to match your video style. As you see, I'm adding a transition between these two clips. I'll simply choose the transition style I like and adjust its duration to match the flow of my video. Once applied, the transition instantly makes the edit look more engaging and helps capture the audience attention. CapCut offers a wide variety of transition styles. You can pick the best that fits your video theme and gives a visually appealing effect. Here I'm adding another transition to show you how it enhances the overall look and feel of the video. You can clearly see how much smoother and more exciting the clip becomes with these effects. So now let's explore the volume feature. If you want to adjust the original audio of your clip, you can easily increase or decrease the volume from here. Next, we'll move to the animations. Now remember, Animations are different from transitions. Transitions work between two clips, but animations apply to a single clip only. For example, I am selecting this fade in animation, and you can instantly see how the clip smoothly fades into the view. This is a great way to start your video because it looks clean, polished, and professional. Next, let's check out the beats feature. If you're using the original audio from your video, you can add markers where the beats hit. This helps you sync your edits perfectly with the music. Now, moving on to the crop feature, this lets you crop your video or photo however you want. You can also choose a specific aspect ratio depending on the platform, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram Reels. These are basically preset frame sizes to make your video fit perfectly. Then we have adjust. This is very similar to photo editing. You can change brightness, contrast, saturation, and even edit specific colors. For example, if I want my sky shades to look slightly purple, I can tweak that here. CapCut gives you all these editing controls, so you don't need a separate app like Photoshop just for the color correction. Next is the filters. Just like Snapchat and Instagram stories, CapCut has a whole collection of filters. You can apply any filter to match the mood of your video and even adjust its intensity if you want a softer look. Now let's talk about opacity. Lowering the opacity makes your clip more transparent, which is great for creative overlays and effects. Under transform, you can rotate or mirror your clip with just one tap, and this feature here lets you reverse your video, which adds a fun dynamic effect like playing a clip backward. As you can see, I applied the reverse effect and then undid it to show how easily you can switch back. Now let's explore the text feature. When I tap add text, I can write anything I want. For example, my first edit. CapCut offers a huge variety of fonts, so you can easily pick one that matches your video style. Next, we have the styles. Here you can change the text color, you can adjust the thickness of your text, you can also add a glow behind your text, you can apply shadows or even put a background behind your text to make it stand out. You can also adjust the spacing between the letters and lines, just like editing text in Microsoft Word. You can make it bold, italic, underline it, and even switch the case to all capitals if needed. This all depends on your video requirement. Under the text menu, there are also an effects section. These effects give your text a unique look, and there are tons of options to play with. You can use glowing text, neon, outlines, and many other fun styles. Then we have text animation. This controls how your text appears and disappears on the screen. For example, I'm selecting a typewriter animation and adjusting the speed accordingly. You can set an animation for the start and another for the end. So here are the options. You can see in and out. In will show how your text appears for the start, and out will show how your text appears at the end. Here the text types in and then fades out. It looks really professional and engaging. You can also adjust the text duration by dragging it on the timeline and place it anywhere you want on the screen. Next is the text template. CapCut provides ready-made animated templates. You can simply choose one and replace the sample text with your own. It's super useful when you want quick and stylish titles. We also have the stickers option. You can add fun stickers to your video, especially great for vlogs or content creation. I'm adding a sticker here and stretching it along the timeline so it stays visible for as long as I want. There's also a draw tool where you can draw directly on your video, but I don't need it right now, so I'll undo that. Now we will talk about this effects option. Here are some video effects. We have already talked about it in the previous part. We can apply these video effects individually to any of the video clip. Like I've selected this video clip, I'll add a particular effect on this video. Like I have selected this grainy crackle effect, and you can see that this will appear on that particular video clip only. In this way, you can add different video effects to your individual video clips, and you can adjust it by dragging it along the timeline. So now we have a caption feature. It will auto generate captions if your video clip has a specific volume, original volume basically, so it will convert it into the captions. Then we have the filters. We can add any filters like we have talked before. The option is also available on Snapchat and Instagram and different photo editing apps, so we can add any filter according to our requirement and then we can adjust it. Then we have these inbuilt aspect ratios. Whether you're making a video for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, these are the inbuilt frames or the aspect ratios that you can use for your videos. Then is the background. We can add any background behind our video clip. Let's say I'm adding this blur option, but this is not visible here. So I'll show you by adding a color. Like I've added yellow color in the background, and you can see that the yellow color is appearing in the background. In this way you can add any background of your choice. Now we will move towards the next option, or you can say the feature, that is the audio. So you can add any audio by clicking on the sound feature. Here you will see inbuilt sounds are available on CapCut. Here you can extract any sound from your video, or you can also select it from your device, or you can also select it from TikTok if your account is connected to it, and here will appear your saved sounds. And here are some sections which you can select for according to your required video. Like if I'm making a travel video, I can also search on the search bar traveling music, and here I'll see the traveling music. So I do not need to import any music from outside because CapCut provides me this feature in this app. And if I want to add any of the music, I click on the plus sign and that audio will be applied to my video. As you can see that the specific sound has been applied to our video. So now we'll just export this video. I can set the frame rate, and if I want my video in smart HDR, these are the options. And where do I want to place my logo for CapCut? For the paid versions, the CapCut logo can be hidden. So now I'll click on export, and this will export this video in my gallery. And that's how you can create a simple video using different editing options in CapCut. Once you're done, just export your video and it will automatically save to your phone's gallery. and you can directly share it to TikTok or other social media platforms. You can always find your saved projects in the project section where you can reopen them and make further changes anytime. With these tools, you can create professional looking videos, reels, and content for your platforms with ease. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Don't forget to try out these features and start editing your own videos. Thank you for watching.